In this video, we are going to cover our resource called Newsbank. Newsbank provides access to a variety of online-only newspapers, blogs, newswires, journals, all kinds of things. So we're going to go ahead and begin exploring that. The way Newsbank is organized is you have all kinds of current events, hot topics, things like that over here. We also have the obituaries and death notices from the Floyd County Times. People who do genealogy really enjoy this. We have the retrospective from 1970 to 1991. So if you have History 109, it might be something that you would be interested in, looking at how the news was reported in the newspaper as history was actually happening. We also have science source and popular periodicals. These are popular periodicals. They are not necessarily academic, so you might want to pay close attention to that. We also have Access World News. This is going to be where you're going to access most of the newspapers, and we specifically have had them pull out Kentucky. So if you click this, you're going to search all Kentucky newspapers, and we're going to do that just in a second. In addition to that, we have Find a Topic. Find a Topic is really kind of fun if you're having trouble locating a topic for maybe an argumentative paper. If you go here, you will notice that there's links. So if I know I want to have something about criminal justice, maybe I want to talk about cybercrime, right? This is going to take me to some articles that I can begin investigating this particular topic and see, do I really want to do a paper or an argumentative speech maybe about this particular issue? It's a good place to start. It's a really good place to start to narrow down that topic. We're now back out of the main page. So we have USA Kentucky here. This will actually search 53 separate publications in Kentucky, from the western part of the state all the way to the eastern part of the state. Thing you want to remember about it is that it is completely full text. So you don't want to search the all text. I always search the lead first paragraph. So it's really like the title and the first paragraph of the articles. So maybe I want to search about drugs, and I want to search about Floyd County. Now, I put Floyd County in quotation marks, so it would search the words side by side. If I just have Floyd County there without the quotation marks, it will search the word Floyd County separately, which can result in a lot of items that maybe might not be about my topic. So I click search, and you can see there's all kinds of articles. Now it will put them not necessarily in the order that was published, but it will put them things that match your search the best. So here's one from 2016 about the tip line leads to a drug arrest. This one's in January, and some of the newer ones are in February or March. If you want to look at an article, all you have to do is click the title of the article, and it will bring it up here for you. At this point, you can cite the article. So if you need an MLA citation, all you have to do is go right here, and it will bring up an MLA citation for you. You also have export. You can export to EasyBib. You can email it to yourself. You can save it as a PDF, and you can print it. You can also, and of course, here's your citation. I forgot to point that out. Here's your citation. And you can copy that and paste it into your Works Cited page, since this is MLA, or references if you were to choose APA style. It is very important that you realize, like this one is the APA, it does look differently than the MLA citation. In addition to that, you're going to want to make sure that you remember, if you do it this way, to put it in double space, Times New Roman 12-point font, and that the second and third lines are tabbed 5 spaces. It's very important that you get your correct format. So I'm going to go ahead and close those out. And again, you can print, save it as a PDF, email it to yourself, or even export the information to EasyBib. If you want to return to your results, you just click that, and then you can go up here and actually edit your search. Maybe what you're looking for is pipe counting. And here, I just put drug, pipe counting, lead first paragraph, and it brought up 70. Maybe what I want to research is drug abuse. And let's see what that does. Anytime you actually add words or change your keywords, it's going to change your results. And you can see that this took me down to just 4 articles. But if I search alt text, drug abuse and pipe counting, it starts making it bigger. And if I change this to alt text and search again, it makes it bigger still. So make sure that you use the opportunity to go over here and really search what you're specifically looking for. And if you're specifically looking for a particular year, you can organize it that way. There's all kinds of different ways to organize it. As always, if you have any questions about using this particular resource from a library guide, just let me know. I'll be glad to help.